Okay, so the main stock that run today on our software was MLGO. Came out with some news this morning, 8:05. Remember, this is London time here, guys. We're still this hour difference between London and US. Then we went sideways. Then we got the momentum trigger. Really simple buy signal here. We got the buy signal. This is the 5-minute chart. You could always get down to a 2 or 1 minute chart. Nice momentum. Nice easy light green all the way up here. We pull back. We get a nice little bull flag here. No momentum until we get this candlestick here. $8.36. It's getting a little bit tired, but we've had a lovely move on the Pro Trade system. Don't forget, guys, I spoke about the breakout of the first 5-minute candlestick. If you look down below in the description, I've got more free trading strategies of how to trade US shares on the open that I was given 21 years ago. Dive into those. Those are completely free for you guys. Got lots of 5 strategies in there that you can use in your day trading. Now it's all evolved into more color based stuff to keep it really simple. But MLGO. And how did I find that? Well, it came up on the screen in trading view right here. Fit the criteria. Below $10 as well, which was good. And it had a really nice move, of course. The little bit higher price stock that we've all been trading in our trading room and been watching for the last 2 or 3 weeks is Moderna here, MRNA. Nice buy signal on the open here. We broke the 5-minute high. Then we had this bullish pullback. Nice low OBS, so we get below that 50. Still momentum is long, so that's strategy number 2. Push higher, pull back, we buy again. This went from $33 all the way up to 34 plus, nearly $35. So really nice move. This one was taken in my spread betting account. Dive into those strategies, guys. Hope it helps, and I'll speak to you on the next update.